Hello guys, you are highly welcome once again in our channel. This is Fab Crypto. Alright, so today's space we're going to talk about the fantastic thing that is happening in cryptocurrency and how you can position yourself for the next move, guys. Alright, we are so happy because something good is happening already to crypto space, and despite what is going on the other side of the world, and we are happy because in crypto space you can always make money if you understand how the market moves. All right, so guys, before we dive into the chart and I explain to you how you can position yourself for the next wave, please kindly subscribe to this channel and help us to grow this channel. Right, you're welcome. All right, so guys, Bitcoin has been giving us a lot of profits of the recent time because of the move that is coming up. All right, so now what is going on, guys, in this chart is something that you need to pay attention to, guys, because I think the bulls are already in the markets now. So now we have seen this massive correction, okay, this massive correction that's happened here, guys, and a complete ending diagonal. Okay, this is an ending diagonal. This way was an ending diagonal. So now we have seen a correction coming up here. All right, so now two things that you guys need to pay attention to now. If you go to 4 hours, that what we're expecting from 4 hours will be after this wave. We have seen this completed, so we are seeing this wave now. So I thought this might be a bigger structure like this and come up here, but now it's showing us another structure which is kind of leading diagonal. It's trying to start with leading diagonal. You can see 1 2 3 4, and we have one more push up. So after this one more push up, guys, we'll be expecting a sharp sell-off. All right, but this sharp sell-off might not be deep, so take note of that. This sharp sell-off might not be deep because of this structure we are seeing. This sharp sell-off might not be deep, but there will be a sharp sell-off and a 3 wave, and there we go. We can go to this level, guys, which is our previous target, that is 64,000, and from there we can come down, or from there we can retest the previous all-time high. All right, so the next trade you can position yourself is, if you go to 1 hour, you can see that the market is just correcting itself here. So we are take note of this structure, guys. Take note of this wedge. This is kind of a leading diagonal that is forming here. A leading diagonal is trying to form here. So we have already, it's cleared out here. We have already 1, we have already 2, we have already 3, we have 4 here. So we're expecting this 5. Once it's completed, we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. One more push up now, and that will be a sell-off. All right, so one more push up definitely will happen today, and there will be a sell-off. So once this sell-off occurs, okay, you can position yourself for the next move because it's coming, guys. It's coming. So we're expecting one more sell-off before the next move. All right, so that is what we're expecting on Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so if you want to position yourself, you can position yourself at the break of this, at the break of this, at the break of this trend. You can sell off to this, but remember that this sell-off might not be deep. All right, it might not be a big sell-off to downside. So just take note of that, because most of you guys, if you are not careful, okay, remember, okay, look at what happened here, guys. Look at what happened here. If you are okay, let's look at this trade here. It was a beautiful trade. We sold at this point. We were expecting it to go to our target here, which it didn't. So that's why always when you sell over this, you position yourself, always protect your profit, guys. I think we exited the trade somewhere here as it was pulling back. All right, so that just is. So expect one more push up and down we go. That is on Bitcoin, guys. On Bitcoin. All right, guys, so if you take a look on Ethereum, I think Ethereum is the fantastic trade for the week, guys, because as I told you guys last week that Ethereum, once it's broken of this confirmed running flat, so I told you guys that you should make sure that it's broken here. Once it's broken here, it's a confirmed running flat. But now you can see that Ethereum has confirmed that this is a running flat. Okay, this is a running flat. We have this, and we have this. Now, where are we going from here? There's something I discovered that you guys need to pay attention on Ethereum, because this is going to be massive, guys. Ethereum move might be the next massive bull, okay, where that everybody will be talking about. Now, look at this thing, guys. Look at this pattern that is forming. Now, anytime you see something like this, guys, I think this might be a take home for you guys. You see, anytime you see a market moving in a trend, in a wedge, or in a channel like this, and finally break out, then what it shows you that the momentum is so high that what we'll be seeing next time will be something like this. That is what we'll be seeing from here now. We have been seeing something vertical from here now, because that is what Ethereum might do, and probably that is what will happen, because Ethereum is set to move. If you check out from the past move, it hasn't been that aggressive. It's just going from nowhere since 2000 and since the beginning of this year. It's just trending. We've seen this, but now it's moving out, and that is what we'll be expecting. Okay, so everybody should pay attention in Ethereum. Now, if you are not yet in the trade already, now the best way you can join, let's take a look from it from the 4 hours and see, okay, there might be a retest, but I doubt, because we have already seen that correction. You can see this correction here on Ethereum here, guys. You've seen this correction here, and that was telling you that's about going up and there. But now there might be a sharp sell-off. Let's go to 1 hour. You might see here, there might be a sharp sell-off. So position yourself. There might be a sharp sell-off. If you see something like here, a sharp sell-off here, there must be a retest. Most time there is a retest to this trend, to this channel, guys. So this is a channel. So once this retest occur, I think that will be the last time for you to see Ethereum within this range, guys. And Ethereum is gonna go to the moon. So kindly, guys, position yourself for this, because Ethereum move is really the best fantastic move for the year, because it hasn't done much. All right, so that's just on Ethereum. If you go to Cardano, I think Cardano and some of the rest crypto might move with Bitcoin as you retrace. So if we take Cardano, I think Cardano is looking more bearish than bullish now. I think it's not looking that. If once Bitcoin makes that move and start coming down, this definitely might call, right? So we're expecting something like this on Cardano, guys. Okay, so we're expecting something like this on Cardano. So bear that in mind on Cardano. So if you take a look on the Ripple, let's take a look at Ripple and see what's going on. Okay, so Ripple, you have seen this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. So definitely there might be a correction before the next move coming up. So this correction, after this correction, there'll be next move coming up. So expect that to happen on Ripple, guys. Expect this correction to happen on Ripple. So if you take a look from here, you might see one more push up, and down we go. Okay, making it 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's what we're expecting on Ripple. Now, anytime you see 5 move up, so and a correction, definitely that tells you that the move is not over. Yes. What do I mean? If you see this move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after just take note that after a correction, the next move will still occur. All right, the next move will still occur. This is Elliott wave rules. All right, and most times it happens that way. Okay, so that just thing you need to have in the back of your mind. All right, so guys, which other coin should we look at? So let's look at the Dogecoin. The market has just been moving. You know, it hasn't broken the top. It hasn't. This one breaks. So we have this 1, 2, 3. So are we moving from here? Are we retesting? Not clear yet. Okay, this is 4 hours. So 2 things you might have in the back of your mind. Let's watch this. Okay, if you go to 1 hour, let's go to 1 hour and see. All right, they're still looking more bullish. So it might push up like this, push up, because this is, look at, this might be a running flat, guys. It might be a running flat here. Okay, it might be a running flat. Watch this. This might be a running flat. Why this push up like this, breaking this, make another running flat, and there we go. So, you know, once it start moving, things start going this way, just pay very good attention, because it might break out, up, and break down. So pay very good attention on that, because this might happen very soon. So in a bigger picture on Dogecoin, I think there might be a slight correction before the next move up, but watch for this. If this did not break this, if it didn't break up, that means there might be a retest of this previous low. All right, if it didn't break the all-time high, there might be a retest of this previous, because if we say this to be what, maybe a W, we have A, B, C, but this doesn't look like B. It doesn't look like B. So this might be a beginning of what? New impulse. So it doesn't look like B at all. So it might be a beginning of new impulse. So take note of that. Okay, this might be a beginning of new impulse, because you have had 1, 2, 3 already on the market. All right, so guys, that is just it. Now, if you take a look on SVG, so as I told you guys last week, that once this, we're expecting this, so it's completed now. And look at one. Good. SVG is going, guys. In case you've not filled your bag, this is the best time for you to buy SVG because it's going from here. All right, it's going from here. Definitely, it's going from here. SVG is going. All right, so I think, yeah, it's going. Everything looks good on SVG, guys, and I think you should fill your bag on SVG. Now, this is altcoin season. In case you're not aware, this is altcoin season. All right, so altcoin season is always a good season because it helps you to multiply your Bitcoin and also help you to make more money than you can ever imagine. So bear that in mind and have that. Look how, okay, this coin I told you last time, yeah, this is Binance token. I told you Binance token that is going from here, remember? Yeah, I saw this and I know it's going. So you see, it's going here. So now the next question now is, what are we going to do from here? So what is happening now? You can see that it's retesting this all-time high. It's already broken. There's a, yeah, I think it has already broken here. You can see this week. Okay, you might not be seeing that, but there's a wick here, but it hasn't closed. So pay very good attention, okay? Pay very good attention in case that this might be a running flash. So if you take a look of it, let's take a fib and see what's going on here. If this has corrected, if I take a fib of this, okay, so I'll see, okay, so I think it's broken up. It definitely to break out. It will break out. So it's breaking out. So two things that we might expect here after breaking out, there might be a retest here, and there we go. I'm making it a running flag. So this is likely to occur on what? Binance token. So which is possible. All right, this is possible. So bear that in mind because this has already completed 3 wave, and there we are going to the moon. All right, so bear that in mind that Binance token move is not over yet. I think this might get to $1,000 in case you're not aware. You might get to $1,000 easily. You see, all these coins are struggling to who beats the main coin for the season. All right, yeah, so just bear that in mind that anything is possible. Some of these coin can beat Bitcoin. Well, who knows? All right, guys, so that's just it. Now, if you have any coin that you want me to help you to analyze or you're still holding, we took some profit last week. We have already bought more, like Bitcoin. We refilled our Bitcoin bag, expecting this wave. Okay, so trade responsibly and always remember to take profits. All right, always remember to take profits. Okay, so if there's a coin you should buy now, I think you should go and buy Ethereum. Okay, buy Ethereum because Ethereum is more likely to, give you 2x or 3x. But there are some shit coins that we bought last time that did massively well. We bought this coin. Let me see. I think I bought this. Yeah, bought this coin last time. Yeah, we bought it. Yeah, I think imagine this coin gave us crazy profits, and for the first time I'm seeing a gap in crypto space. So it gapped so high that, man, it was so massive. So you see, most of this coin can blow up your account positively if you know how to catch them early. All right, you know how to catch them early. I've not figured out why this happened on this. You can see this is a big gap, guys. Big gap from 200 Satoshi to 2,800 Satoshi. Crazy move. So there's other coin that you might think of. Let me see. There's this one. OM. I don't know what. Yeah, this coin will blow very soon. This coin. Just watch it. Watch this coin. It will blow. What we're expecting. We're expecting something like this, and there we go. Okay. We're expecting something like this, and there we go. This coin will blow very soon, and I don't know much about them, but I'm just talking from technical point of view. I just have this coin, in some of your portfolio. It will blow very soon. All right, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any coin you want us to help you analyze, please kindly share with us. We'll be glad to help you and do that. Now, remember, one more for the last time. Let's look at this link chain. That's the chain link. Sorry, the chain link is doing very well, and you can see it's moving like Ethereum. Just take a note. It's moving like Ethereum, okay, which I know very soon that this will break. This will break this channel, and once it breaks this channel, it goes parabolic. Okay, it will break this channel, but in other way around, you might see if it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely we have 5. So if this fifth one did not break, then expect this. But if it breaks, then we go. All right. So that's the two things. So if the fifth one did not break, expect this. If I take the fib here, let's see. Okay. If I also take the fib here, let's see. All right. So these are the things. So we're expecting this next wave up. All right. So and I expect this next wave to break this. But if it didn't break and give us a correction here, they might break this channel downwards. But link chain hasn't done much as we expected of it. So that's why we are hopeful that this will be the season for link chain to get to $100 or even more than that. All right, guys. So trade responsibly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to make money irrespective of the movement of the markets, and you want to go long or short, kindly subscribe to join us on the Bybit. You can use my link below, and you have up to $600 bonus using my link as an affiliate. All right, so you can sign up using the Bybit link. It's down below the description. And remain profitable, guys, and I wish you the best. Thank you.